Is your Ninja Espresso only filling your cup halfway or stopping too soon? If the machine isn't dispensing a full shot or brew, here's what's likely causing it and how to fix it. Step 1. Check your selected brew size. Make sure you've actually selected the full cup setting. A half brew could simply be the result of using a single shot or specialty mode instead of XL or classic. Step 2. Check for pod clogs or puncture issues. If the needle can't pierce the pod cleanly, water may flow slowly or stop early. Remove the pod and inspect it. Clean the needle area and run a water-only cycle to flush any blockage. Step 3. Make sure the water tank is full and seated. If the tank is low or slightly out of place, it may stop mid-brew. Reseat it with a firm push and top it off just to be safe. Step 4. Clean the brew basket or pod holder. Built-up grounds or scale can block flow and confuse internal pressure sensors. Give it a thorough rinse and use a brush or cloth to remove residue. Step 5. Descale the machine if it hasn't been cleaned recently. Mineral buildup can reduce water pressure and volume. If your shots are shrinking over time, it's probably due for a cleaning cycle. Still not getting a full cup? You may be dealing with a valve issue or faulty sensor. Ninja support link is in the description if you need to troubleshoot further. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee!